Hey guys, AJ here, back with another one for you. So guys, back to the courtroom we go. It's another episode of Courtroom Madness, guys. And last time we were in the courtroom, we saw a guy who was paying his baby mom and his kids rent, bills, and all of that, and she still got him for back child support, and all the payments that he made didn't matter. Guys, we're gonna go back to the courtroom again, and this is a guy who's in court for alimony, and guys, he's gonna get screwed big time. Guys, we know over here that if you're a guy and you're in divorce court, paternity court, family court, criminal court, you're going to get got, right? So, guys, we're going to get into this. But before we do, guys, please remember to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Helps keep this channel going, guys. Thanks for all your support. I go live Wednesdays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, guys, let's get into this.
Sounds to me like it may have started when Ms. Hansen changed banks, gave that new banking information to Mr. Hansen, and
and guys, check out Court Archives channel. This person has a lot of really good content for us, because there's still guys out there that think that they're going to get treated fairly, guys. And only through showing them this type of stuff do men actually understand what's going on.
no payments have been made since. So I'll start with you, Ms. Hansen. Is that your understanding of why we're here today?
Yes.
Okay. Have you received any spousal support payments since March?
No.
Right. Mr. Hansen, what can you tell me?
When we agreed to spousal support back in 2018, when we had our divorce, I was making a substantial amount of income greater than I do now. I was able to draw from my 401k that I had left after our divorce to pay the first 4 years of spousal support.
So he had to pull out of his retirement to pay alimony because his pay went down. Think about how crazy that is, guys. He's literally giving her retirement to her. Clown world.
To the amount of $60,000.
$60,000.
And this last year, I've had a number. I haven't worked at the elevator since April 12th of 2019. I've had 3 major surgeries, 2 hip surgeries, and a knee surgery.
Jesus.
I'm working now on a limited basis.
Guys, drop in the comments. Do you think that they're gonna care that he's had his hips done and like all these surgeries? Honestly, do you honestly think this judge is gonna care? Come on.
My income right now, I've worked 72 days this year. My income is $30,000. Using half of that income to pay my last year of spousal support is going to be really difficult. On the 27th of May, I was in a car accident where I got rear-ended.
Look at that look on his ex's face. This woman in the middle. Look at that. She doesn't even care. Look at the look on her face. Look, watch.
Rear-ended.
Look at that. She's like, whatever. God, these women, man, I'm telling you. Guys, I'm not religious at all. But I use the term demonic, okay? Demonic are people and things that just want to destroy people and society. And this woman is demonic.
It totaled my truck. They paid off my truck. I go 2 times to the chiropractor and 1 time to massage therapy a week, and it's not getting much better. My hope is that
Did any of these things happen in March of 2023 when you stopped making payments?
Just my hope is that
Did any of these things happen in
all that? She just glossed right over all that, guys.
March of 2023 when you stopped making payments?
Just my lack of employment.
When did your employment end?
My employment ended at the elevator in April of 2019, prior to my surgeries.
Right. So that's what I'm asking trying to get at is you still were paying the allegation is you stopped in March of 2023. What was the impetus for that change? You paid. So let me put it another way. You were able to pay even though you weren't working. You were still paying 2019, 20, et cetera.
Correct.
What happened in March of 2023 that resulted in you not paying?
He ran out of money.
In January of 2023, I had no 401k money left.
Look at that.
I had exhausted.
He used all his retirement. What happened in 2023? He ran out of money.
Exhausted all of that to make payments. And then when I did receive my income tax return, I made a February payment
And his income
because
tax.
I had a little bit of extra money.
Okay.
But then I've been limited to income.
So did you communicate this information to Ms. Hanson?
Do you
I
think she
did not.
cares?
We do not communicate together.
Okay. Did you file a motion with the court to change your spousal support?
Idiot.
Okay. So
Well, that's his fault right there then, dude. Because it sounds like he waited a long time. And guys, he should have tried to do something, right? But now he's in arrears, right? And now he's really screwed.
all I can do today, because I do see that the petition for dissolution that still is in effect was signed in 2019. Nothing has been filed since asking for that order to change. That does require $1,250 of support every month until respondent reaches age 65.
Until she's 65, he owes her $1,250 a month. And she's probably in her like late 50s there. Look at that smirk on this woman's face in the middle. Miss Fire Tablet up there.
February of 2024. So, sir, certainly I don't feel as though I have any option but to find you in contempt of the court's order. You've made no, except for showing up here today and giving me oral testimony about things that have happened. I have no evidence to support those statements. I don't have any requests from you to change support. Do you have any payments that could get you up to speed today? Essentially, could you?
And basically, guys, this guy just thought that he was going to come into court. And this is the ignorance that a lot of guys have, right? He thought that he can just show up to court and plead his case. And guys, we over here in the manosphere, the red pill and stuff, we all know, guys, this guy was doomed from the jump. Okay? Maybe if he would have brought some paperwork, it might have helped. But come on, dude. He just showed up to court and thought that he was going to have his face halfway off the Zoom, and this judge and his ex would care. Come on. It's a female judge, too? Come on.
You cure your contempt in short order.
What I would ask for is to make a one-time lump sum payment by the end of the year to cover the whole years that I'm missing. I expect to get some type of settlement through this accident that I was in.
Look, he's got to use the settlement from his car accident to pay his alimony. Man, look at that, guys.
Asking me now to give a pain and suffering amount, and I've never done that before, so I'm not sure how that even entails. But by the end of the year, I could be completely...
Look at that smug look on that thing that he used to be married to. Look at that. Guys, just watch her behavior. Because she knows that she's gonna win no matter what. Okay, guys? And this is what people don't understand.
Paid for the year.
Okay. Ma'am, is that anything that you are wanting to accept? And you don't have to. I'm just asking you because he brought it up.
I mean, I'd rather not. I've already taken.
Guys, you gotta laugh to keep from crying, all right? Seriously, of course not, guys. Drop in the comments, guys, if you knew that she was gonna say no, all right? If you knew it.
Draws out of my retirement money. I also would like to say that I keep hearing that he's working longshore work. So I don't know where he comes with he's not working.
Okay.
Dang. Front Street.
Sir, are you working right now?
I work when it's every day at 3:00. I find out if I'm working or not. I have not worked since last Thursday.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will sign the contempt order. I will find that you have willfully failed to comply
Dang.
with a court's order that is in effect. We're going to set a review hearing for 30 days out. That's going to be August 16 at 9 a.m. That's going to be on our family law pro se a docket Zoom like you're doing today. And if at that time you have not made some efforts to start paying on this matter, we're going to start discussing other tools that the court has.
Meaning jail time, taking your license away, taking your passport, garnishing your check. Those are those tools that she's talking about.
With regard to compliance on this order. Okay. And then, ma'am, I just want to confirm you had a $260 filing fee for this. Is that correct?
Yes, but I didn't have to pay it.
Yeah, because he's paying it.
Okay, I'll strike that out then.
Okay.
Okay, we'll strike that out. I'll initial that strike through. Let me make sure I took that out and in the other place too. There we go. Okay, so I'll see you folks back here on August 16th. We'll review compliance and see what you're able to do by then, sir, okay? Something is better than nothing is what I will tell you for that hearing. Okay?
So she's saying, I want my money in 30 days. Or else. That's basically what it's saying. And guys, alimony's BS. Okay? It's BS and it needs to stop. There's no reason why this guy should be paying alimony. And she's saying that she had to take money out of her retirement. What are you doing? So she's literally living off of his alimony. He's taking out his retirement, his future, because she's too lazy. I don't know what she's doing. Guys, please do not end up in this situation. Okay? Do not. Guys, do your best to stay out of court. Do your best to avoid child support, alimony, all this other stuff, guys. Because these courts are ruthless, man. And they don't care if you've had your surgery on your neck, your knees, you know what I mean? Skin grafts, hair transplants. They don't care, man. They want their money. Okay? Guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're currently paying alimony, guys. I will keep these videos coming. Check out Court Archives, guys. Let them know that I sent you. This is AJ, guys. I'm out of here. Have a good one.